Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go on and start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow along easily. Before we head over to the video, if you go ahead and use our affiliate link to create your LLC with Northwest, you'll be able to save 83% and pay just around $39 for the LLC formation. So, go ahead and make sure you check out the affiliate link in the description box below. So, now that's out of the way, we can now open up the official website right here at northwestregisteredagent.com. Inside, you'll be prompted to the main official menu. You'll be able to see different options right here: Get Registered Agent, Get a Domain and Website, and most importantly we are here for the third option, which is Start an LLC, so, go ahead and click this option. Then, you'll see this page where you can select your state. We're going to select a Delaware LLC. After that, we'll be prompted to a menu right here. You have your business name, and there are also additional instructions on how to start an LLC in Delaware. If you scroll down, there are many more guides. You'll see guides on naming your LLC and descriptions on how to do this. Scrolling further down, you'll see the second option, which is Appoint a Delaware Registered Agent. The third option is File Delaware Certificate of Formation, the fourth is Get State of Delaware Business License, and more. You can keep reading this if you want, but once you've scrolled all the way down, you'll be able to see the Ready to Start an LLC in Delaware section. Go ahead and click on Get Started. Now we're at the first LLC formation tutorial page. As I mentioned earlier, if you use our affiliate link, you'll be able to save 83% and you'll only pay $39 for an LLC formation. So, if you browse through here for the LLC standard filing option, it's around $158. You can choose the type of business you want to start. We're going to select LLC in this option. You have your filing options. The first one is Processed by State in 7 days, which is the standard filing option and is around $110. The second one will be processed around 4 days and is around $160. The last one is expedited in 1 day and is around $210. Just choose the applicable filing option that you want. We're going to select the second one, $160. Here, you have your breakdown of your summary. You have your business formation, the state fee compliance filing, business identity, and more. So, let's go ahead and click on Continue here. For the second section, we have our company name. If you want to go ahead and add your business name right here, you could just type your business name, and at the end of your name, follow up with LLC. After that, we have the option to send a copy of the lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. Choose your applicable option here. But before we proceed further down the video, this is not legal advice, this is for educational purposes only. Now that's out of the way, we can now go ahead and use our business purpose here. You can choose your generic business purpose if you turn on the slider. In this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and use this option to make it more flexible for our LLC or our business. For the second one, we have the physical address you want on record with the state. Of course, you could just go ahead and choose your applicable options. You have your registered agent address, your mailing address, and you can also go ahead and specify an address right here. So, I'm just going to leave this at the first option. For the second option, we have the mailing address you want on record with the state. Once again, you could just go ahead and choose your preferred option. But once you're done, just go ahead and click on Continue. Now we are at the management section. We have the management type here, member managed and manager managed. So, is your management type being managed by your members or by a higher-up or a manager? In this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select Member Managed here. We have our member one. You could just go ahead and put the information of that member. Once again, we have the address to record with the state. I'm just going to leave it with the first option, the registered address. Click on Continue to proceed to the next section, which is the Contact section. Here, you'll enter your first name, last name, phone number, and mailing address, including city, state or province, and postal or zip code. Fill in your personal details and click Continue again. Now, we're inside your account options. It's very simple. You have your email address here, which you may need to verify. You also have your password, which you'll need to confirm. If you want a randomized password, you can click on Generate Password here. Otherwise, follow the instructions to create your own password. Next, we have your business identity. We provide everything you need to instantly stand up your business. This includes domain registration, free for 1 year, a website hosted by us but owned by you, a business email address, and lastly, a business phone. If you wish to avail of the free 90-day trial with one-click cancellation through your online account, you can click on the slider here. After that, just go ahead and click on Proceed. Now we're at the last section, which is optional items. You have the option to file your annual report. You can go ahead and read the additional details if you want to enable this option. Additionally, you can find information about obtaining a federal tax ID number, also known as an employer identification number, S-corporation election with the IRS, mail forwarding, trademark service, and corporate supplies. But after reviewing your optional items, you can proceed by clicking on Continue once more. Now we're in the payment section. You can use your Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover card here. But before finalizing your LLC, I'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description box below. You can save a significant amount of money when going through Northwest Registered Agent. So, after filling out your payment method here, you'll now be able to form a new company on northwestregisteredagent.com. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.